Enrico Fermi was an Italian scientist who was born in Rome, Italy in 1901. Being in Rome was essential to his development as an atomic physicist. In 1918, at the young age of 17, he was awarded a fellowship at the University of Pisa in Rome, a prestigious higher education school where he received a degree in physics and learned the majority of his knowledge about the atom. Fermi continued to live in Italy until 1938, when he and his family moved to the United States to escape Italy's anti-Semitic laws. While studying under Max Born, a German physicist and mathematician who helped develop quantum mechanics, Fermi discovered the Fermi statistics. The Fermi statistics are a part of quantum physics, a branch of physics, and in these statistics, Fermi describes a distribution of particles over energy states in systems consisting of many identical particles that obey the Pauli exclusion principle. After moving with his family to the United States in 1939, Fermi was appointed professor of physics at New York's Columbia University, a position that he held until 1942. He later went on to be named a professor of physics at the University of Chicago. During his time at Columbia University, he led many experiments, such as the atomic pile, or nuclear reactor, and the first controlled nuclear chain reaction, or more commonly known as the modern-day power plant. The theory of this atomic feat was tried, and after multiple failed tests at New York's Columbia University, the experiment efforts were transferred to the University of Chicago's jurisdiction, where Fermi and his group created the world's first controlled nuclear chain reaction. After his success with the nuclear chain reactor, Fermi later became one of the leaders of the team of physicists on the Manhattan Project. The Manhattan Project was a scientific experiment that's goal was to obtain fissionable nuclear material to be used as a military weapon in World War II. This led to the creation of the first atomic bomb. Fissionable nuclear material are nuclear elements such as uranium and plutonium that have a heavy atomic nucleus and that can be subdivided into two fragments with roughly equal mass. This process is done by sending a neutron through an atom of uranium with great amounts of energy to divide the atom into new fragments that will become the exact same atom they were split from. Fermi, along with other scientists, developed a handful of methods to achieve this, and their efforts paved the way for the first militarized atomic weapon, the atomic bomb. This weapon was used in World War II on the islands of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, with devastating effects. Fermi was one of the lead scientists in this project, who, along with other scientists, is referred to as the father of the atomic bomb. This has been my atomic theory video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more daily content. This has been Rydaddy, and I'll see you in the next one.